Hi to all my sweet friends that stopped by today. This post was put up in honor of Memorial Day. This year it's going to be on Monday, May 30th, 2022. Hope you enjoyed what I put together. Now let's see what Grandma did. Good morning to all of you. It is time to how to put together a tea station. Yep, we're going to put a new tea station up for the holiday. Let's see what we're going to do. We're first going to clean out this whole area, wipe it all down, and let's see what Grandma can do. Of course, we're going to bring a tea towel in here and wipe it down and make sure it's thoroughly dry also. The area has been wiped down, and I have these new placemats. To make it fit, I'm going to turn the corners under, and now it fits, and it's working with my theme for the holiday, blue and white. Now I'm going to place my riser back here just to see how I like it. And we're going to be working on the theme, red, white, and blue. I'm going to bring some flowers in. Those flowers are not new. I've had them, I don't know, maybe 6 months. I paid quite a bit for them on sale even from Hobby Lobby. But, I mention this a lot. Sometimes it's better just to pay a little extra money and get something quality. These salt flowers all are good quality. I can't quite remember where I bought these other ones. They might have been from Hobby Lobby too. I can't really remember. It sounds terrible. But probably it was. And as you can see, they are beautiful. So, let's see if we can get this thing going. Now, I'm going to turn it off because it's hard for me to talk and do stuff, and I don't want to take a chance at knocking over my tablet. So we'll come back once I get these flowers in here how I want them, and I'll share with you what it looks like. Well, now you see what we've gotten done here. It's better to get over here where you can see how it really looks. Now all I did was lay these flowers in here and push them back where they look full and tight. It took me maybe 2 minutes to do it. This wasn't complicated, or that's why it's better to spend the money for a little nicer flower, because we have the 2 little bouquets, 1 on each side, and then 3 plants here, 2 red and 1 white. I think it looks fabulous. What do you think? And I have a few more little accessories to bring the more red into this display. And it's all setting on top of the beautiful blue and white placemat. And look how it's looking. You don't even see the corners tucked under now. Now these are napkin rings that I got about 3 weeks ago. And these were also from Home Goods. I haven't shared them or even put them in anything. I should have put it in my shopping haul, but I forgot about them. I says, let me get those pulled out because we're working on the blue and white and red theme for the holiday. Are they not beautiful? And the best part of all, because they're napkin rings, you can use them great for displays. I use most of my napkin rings more for display than I do napkin rings because they set right up and you can see my butterflies. You guys all know how much I love butterflies. Here's my tea station for the holiday. Isn't it beautiful? Oh my gosh. I use my butterflies. I probably would have looked even better if I had 5, but we only had 4. So what I did, I put 1 on each side of my teapot. I put 1 at the top, and I'm going to put this one, I'm going to put my beautiful teacup down here with it. So I just wanted to share with you what I'm doing. Now, like I said, the teapot, the riser, I already had. and all the beautiful florals I had. But because these florals are good quality, they're very dense and strong. These butterflies are quite heavy, and they're supported by these flowers beautifully. Another reason to spend a little more money. If I put these on Dollar Tree flowers, they would have fallen right through. But these are quality pieces. And these pieces I will have 10 years from now because they all are beautiful. Are they not? Oh my gosh. I am so happy that I spent the money for them. I know they cost me a lot, but they're worth every penny you have. Look at how beautiful this is looking for my tea station for the holiday. Well, we're done with our tea station for the holiday. Now, the total breakdown of the cost of this is not going to be as bad as you think. It was $5. Yep, $5. And how could that be, Grandma? Because most of the stuff on this beautiful display I already had and owned. The florals were already bought last year, so none of those were new. The teapot was bought last year, and so was the riser, and they are beautiful. I bought this teacup and saucer this year, but it's already been in a couple of posts. So, you know, if we used them, we never have to do the cost again. My creamer and sugar with the roses, I've actually had that 20 or 25 years. So there's no cost for that. All the treats that we have on the table, my daughter got me for Mother's Day, and all the beautiful hearts, and aren't they beautiful? And even the little macaroons she got me. I am a blessed person to get so many wonderful things. So there was no cost for that. And the plate they're setting in is one of my Mackenzie Child plates, and there's no cost for that. Now that's an inspired piece. It isn't a real one, but there's nothing wrong with inspired. It's a little cheaper. The little dragonfly back here in the corner I've had for several years, so it's not new either. So the only things that are new, and I broke it down per unit, the placemat was $12, so that's $3 each. So I guess I spent $6. And the butterflies were $12 for the 4, so I'm using the whole thing. Oh my gosh, I'm so off. It's not even that. I used all 4. So that's 12, 3, $15. Oh my gosh, Grandma can't count it all. $15 for this, not 5. Oh my gosh, Grandma's losing her mind. Anyway, still $15 is not bad for a display. And we're going to do a lot more of these type of displays in the next couple days. So that means all these pieces I already used, I don't have to write them off a second time. Now I do need to do another placemat because I'm going to use Tablescape for 2, and so that will be another $3. But the butterflies I won't have to write off again. I have all these beautiful flowers. I won't have to write that off again, and I don't know what other accessories I'm going to use when I put the Tablescape together. But I think for $15, this was a pretty nice display. And we did get it fixed up for the holiday. What do you think of my tea station? Didn't it turn out pretty? Now you could have easily put 2 cups here, but I didn't. I just put the 1. And why is that? Because I don't have pairs of these cups. I only could find 1, so that's what I used. Isn't it beautiful? And of course, it's in with a theme of blue, white, and red. So my butterfly is a beautiful, beautiful blue. And the saucer has a little blue butterfly too. And of course, my cute little bee. Of course, you know I'm going to use this on a bee display also, because we're going to probably do a cozy corner with a bee theme probably next week. So be ready to come back and see what the cozy corner looks like next week. Oh my gosh, was I happy with this? What was your favorite? Did you enjoy the video? Give me some comments. Let me know what you thought. I personally liked everything I did, but you know, I always do. And if you wanted to put more accessories in here, you could have. Like I said, there's enough room for another cup and saucer that I didn't use. But I thought just the way it was perfect. Not too crowded, because I have a very tiny, tiny house. But even when you have a tiny house, you can put a beautiful display together. So don't forget, even a tiny house, there is some place to put a beautiful display. And I thought it turned out beautiful. Hugs and kisses to all of my awesome friends. And please come back tomorrow. There'll be something new and different. There always is. You never know what you're going to see over at Grandma's place. And I don't do big productions. Mine are more on the simple side. So if you're interested in nice, simple displays for small spaces, this is your channel. And I don't have a lot of money, so you're going to see a lot of repurposing also. So if you're in for that, you're going to love this channel. If you're not already following this channel, please think about it. We love new friends. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I always like to see that you enjoyed what I did. Don't forget to leave some kind of a comment and let me know what you thought about the display. Did I nail it or did I not? For a small space, I thought it was great. And for the cost and a budget of $15, I thought it was great too. And like I said, spend a little more money for your florals. I know they're expensive, but look at how beautiful these still look, and they're not new. Oh my gosh, they are beautiful, and the colors all match, do they not? Well, thank you much. Don't forget, if you like this content, please think about joining the channel. We love new friends. See you guys later. You know how much Grandma and Debbie love you. Take care.